I will read to you the question twice. Albert, can you choose your question? I'll give you time to read the question. Okay, and if you're ready, give it to me. I'll read it twice before I give it 30 seconds. The final question for Albert Google Jr., candidate number 3. Considering your status and capacities right now, what variables should be considered for us to say that you have achieved and sustained the desired outcomes of your chosen advocacy? Again, the question is, considering your status and capacities right now, what variables should be considered for us to say that you have achieved and sustained the desired outcomes for your chosen advocacy? I'll give you 30 seconds. Candidate number 3.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Well, first of all, our Earth is facing jeopardy due to the climate change, deforestation, and pollution. This is a wake-up call for us to make a collective action, and put our effort will serve as a foundation for to have a better and sustainable environment for us to live in. By uniting our strengths and aspirations, we can create an environment.
Thank you so much. That's candidate number 3. Candidate number 9. Price Manibago. Price, again, you have time to choose your question. Okay, very good question. You can read the question, and I'll read to you the question twice before I give you 30 seconds to answer. Okay. The question is goes like this for candidate number 9. Do you think politics should be involved with those initiatives or steps to be taken by any organizations in promoting cultural heritage of a particular place, such as Tacloban City? Why and why not? Again, do you think politics should be involved in those initiatives promoting cultural heritage of a particular place, such as Tacloban City? Why and why not? 30 seconds.
As a son of a barangay captain in our barangay, which is my dad, I instilled the value of him serving to its people because they trusted him with his work and with his advocacy. In this, I know through organizing with various organizations such as Sangguniang Kabataan and also our Sangyao Foundation, we create a way to preserve our cultural heritage and see that there are an identity of us Taclobanon, which is our history.
Number 10 goes like this. What factors do you think should be accounted for us to say that a specific organization such as Sangyao Foundation Incorporated is an effective or an efficient chamber in fulfilling their mission and vision? Again, what factors do you think should be accounted for us to say that a specific organization such as Sangyao Foundation Incorporated is an effective or an efficient chamber in fulfilling their mission and vision? And in number 10, we have 30 seconds.
I believe Sangyao Foundation is an effective or efficient chamber of fulfilling their mission and vision because of this organization, behind these people are working to be worked with. They have different personalities, but they have the same purpose and intention of helping and serving the people of Tacloban City. And aside from that, I don't consider this an organization, but a beautiful family. That is
Thanks so much. Again, candidate number 2, Martin Pacquiao. Okay. Now let's have our next candidate for our Q&A. We have candidate number 9. That's candidate number 11 first. Candidate number 11. Yes, Ari Sigua. Okay, again, I will give you time to choose your question, and I'll give you time to read it, and read it, and I'll read to you the question points before I give you 30 seconds to answer your question. Okay. Your question, candidate number 11, goes like this. As an ambassador of Ginoong Sangyao 2024, what privy avenues can you prefer to maintain or uplift its own brand? I think that's can you offer. Okay? As an ambassador of Ginoong Sangyao 2024, what privy avenues can you offer to maintain or uplift its own brand?
As long as you know, see how when you work, I believe that it is through my advocacy, which is sustainable tourism, that I can provide and the avenues that I can offer towards the organization. I believe that as a candidate, as long as you know, see how I am the last puzzle of the organization, and I am here to speak up with their causes, to speak up with their mission and a vision. And that mission is to live up with the sustainable tourism, because we are the people who should work together as one to have a better society here.
Now that's our next candidate for our top 5, candidate number 15, Raymond. Okay, so Raymond, I'll give you time to read your question, and then give it to me, and I'll read it twice for you, and I'll give you 30 seconds to answer the question. Okay. Candidate number 15's question goes like this. What initiatives will you offer in order to uplift or preserve cultural heritage of Tacloban? And how will you incorporate this year's Ginoong Sangyao's slogan, a man of vision, a man with mission, to the set steps for action? Again, what initiatives will you offer in order to uplift or preserve cultural heritage of Tacloban? And how will you incorporate this year's Ginoong Sangyao's slogan, a man of vision, a man with mission, to the set steps for action? I'll give you 30 seconds, candidate number 15.
I believe that having the will and that initiative to take action into preserving the cultural heritage of the Tacloban city. And that is why I should remember the slogan, which is a man of vision and a man with a vision. And incorporating this to my actions and steps, that would make me have the will to be able to connect with the people and the polity. And that is why having this vision